To change user account profile settings in NotebookLM, start by opening NotebookLM and signing in with your Google account. Once you are on the home page, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This icon represents your account identity across NotebookLM and other Google services. Click the profile icon to open the account menu, then select Account Settings or Google Account Settings. NotebookLM does not manage profile details separately, so it redirects you to your main Google account page where all profile settings are centralized. Once redirected, go to the Personal Info section. Here you can update key profile details such as your display name, profile picture, and other identity-related information tied to your Google account. Any changes made here will automatically apply to NotebookLM as well. Next, navigate to the Data and Privacy section. This is where you can control how your activity and data are managed across Google services. You may find options related to web and app activity, personalization settings, and other privacy-related controls that affect how your account behaves across tools like NotebookLM. After making your desired changes, most updates are saved automatically by Google, so you do not need to manually confirm every adjustment. Once complete, return to NotebookLM and refresh the page to ensure your updated profile information is reflected in the interface. Your profile picture and name should now appear updated across the NotebookLM environment, including the homepage and any shared interactions within the platform. And that's how you change user account profile settings in NotebookLM. Access your Google account through the profile icon, update your personal info and privacy settings, and let the changes sync automatically across NotebookLM.